indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, keyless ignition, premium sound system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, cooled seats. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, power lift gate, navigation system, backup camera, power passenger seat, lane departure warning, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry. Come take a test drive today.